house. Today, we're going on an exciting adventure to learn all about the 7 days that make up our week. Are you ready? Let's go. Look at all the days. We have Magical Monday, Terrific Tuesday, Wacky Wednesday, Thrilling Thursday, Fun Fridays, Wow, Super Saturday, and Sunny Sunday.
Hello, kids. I'm Magical Monday. Monday is the first day of the week. It's the day we usually start school and get back to our routines.
What do you look forward to on Mondays? I like to plan my week.
Hi, I'm Terrific Tuesday. On Tuesdays, we try new things and learn something exciting.
What's something new you've learned? I have soccer practice on Tuesdays.
Hey there, I'm Wacky Wednesday. Wednesdays are the perfect time for fun and games.
What do you do on Wednesdays? We have a half day at school, so I get to play more.
Hi kids, I'm Thrilling Thursday. Thursdays are all about adventure.
What adventure do you want to go on today?
Hello everyone, I'm Fun Friday. Fridays are for celebration. Friday is so exciting because it's the last day of the school week.
What do you love about Fridays? I get to watch movies.
Hi, I'm Super Saturday. Saturdays are perfect for playing, going to the park, or even sleeping in.
What do you enjoy on Saturdays? I love going to the zoo.
Hi kids, I'm Sunny Sunday. On Sundays, we relax and spend time with family.
What do you like to do on Sundays? I like to bake cookies with my mom. What an exciting adventure we had today, learning about the days. So let's quickly review the days of the week together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Great job, everyone. Remember, each day brings new adventures. Thanks for joining our adventure today. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to join us on more fun adventures. Until next time, keep having fun every day of the week. Bye, kids!